So now let's see how we can work around with chromatic aberration effect and color space converter inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this video clip, and in order to apply chromatic aberration effect to it, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. So once I go around over here, I'm going to go around and expand the channel folder right here, and over here you can see that chromatic aberration is an option. So I'm just going to go around and click and drag this onto the footage right here, just like this. And once I do that, you can see that I can go around and change around the distance right here. And then there's the chromatic aberration effect, just like this, as you can see. So you can go around and increase and decrease out the strength of the chromatic aberration as well as you like. And you can utilize the lens right here, just like this as well, so that certain portions are affected more than others as well. And you can see that you can change around the position by clicking and dragging, or by changing around the center right here. You can go around and change around the lens radius, as you can see right here, and change the channels to green and red and blue right here, or green and blue right here, or red and green, and so forth, just like this. You can also go around over here and change around the radius of the red right here, the green and blue, and change around the alpha right here, just like this, and change around the dimensions, as you can see, like red can be horizontal, green can be horizontal right here, blue can be vertical, and so forth, just like this, and even work around with the alpha channel. So that is what you have right here, as you can see. Let me just go around and delete out this particular chromatic aberration effect right here. Another type of effect that you can apply is color space converter. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, let me just go around and click and drag this effect out onto the footage right here. You can see that it says from RGB. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say from RGB to hue, saturation, and luminance right here. You can go around and totally change out the color space from one to another. So you can see that RGB is changed to red right here. You can invert it out as well, and you can make the alpha solid or change it out. You can go around, change it out from hue, or take, let's say, for example, different lightness as an example, and change it to RGB or hue, saturation, luminance right here, or blue right here, from lightness to blue, lightness only right here, and so forth, as you can see. So that is what you have. So if I were to go for RGB right here, you can see that you can go around and choose different sources as you like right here. So that is how you can go around and utilize the chromatic aberration and color space converter effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.